Good morning, all the student of class 2. Welcome to your math class, student. So, student, today we will do some revision, okay? So, see, already on board I have written some question. Now we will discuss all those question, okay? So, look at the first question. So, first you just write down on your copy and then after that try to do it, okay? Then after that match your answer with this answer, okay? So look at the first question that I have given, that example of number A, example of sphere shape is bat or ball. So between bat and ball, which one shape is just like a shape of a sphere? So as we all know that the sphere is look like this, isn't it? It's look like this, means it's not round, not like this, it's totally like this, like football, isn't it? So obviously bat will not, because bat is a long thing. So here we will choose the option ball, isn't it? Now the number B is example of cube shape. Example of a cube shape. Now is it ice cream or dice? Now when you went to the market and they give you the cone ice cream like kulfi, so which one shape is just look like a cube? Is it ice cream or dice? Dice means ludo dice. So we all know that the shape of a ludo dice is just like this, isn't it? 6 numbers are there like in this way. So it is, ludo dice is a perfect example of a cube sphere, isn't it? So we will choose the option dice, okay? Now number C, cylinder shape, example of cylinder shape. So cylinder shape means how it will look. It will look like this, isn't it? So it's a table or tube light. So obviously see, the table doesn't look like this, isn't it? But the tube light is like it having a curved surface, and on the both top and bottom there is a plain surface. So obviously tube light will be the example of a curved shape, isn't it? Now the second question, each face of a cuboid is a square or triangle or circle or rectangle. Means we all know that a cuboid having 6 faces. Now if you know that how the cuboid actually looks, then you can easily say that what is its face, each face looks. So we all know that whenever we want to draw cuboid, first the things that we have to draw which is a rectangle, isn't it? And then after that also, whatever, see, this is also a rectangular shape, this is also a rectangle, this is also, and this is, so the whole side is a shape of a rectangle. Means from each side, if you look at the cuboid, you will feel that face is a shape of a rectangle, isn't it? So each face of a cuboid is rectangle, okay? It's not circle, not triangle, or not square, because square is for cube. Each face of a cube is a square, but for the cuboid it's rectangle. Now the third question, solids with dash surface slide down, curve, flat, A and B both, or none. Now solids, now what are the solid figures? Example has been given in our book. In our book it's cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. Those 5 solid figure example has been given in our book. Now they are saying that solid with dash surface slide down. So what's the things we need? I mean, what is the thing that a solid thing need for slide down? Obviously it's a flat surface, isn't it? Because if it is a, see, if this is my hand, if I want to, you know, make this duster slide, means slip, if it, so I have to make it like this, isn't it? But if I take this round circular chalk and if I put, it will not slip, it will roll down, isn't it? It will roll down, but here they are asking slide down. So slide, then solids with which surface? Obviously only the flat surface, because curved surface means, curved means there will be a bend and obviously it will be rolled down, isn't it? So it will be a flat solid with flat surface, slide down. Okay, number C, why can't we choose the number C here? Because as per here they are saying A and B both. A or B both means, yeah, means you are saying that solid with curved surface also slide down. But no, curved surface can only roll down, isn't it? So it will be flat surface. Okay, if it is, they are asking you the question that solids with dash surface slide down, sorry, roll down, then you can choose the option only the curve, means option A. Okay, so this much for today. Okay, I hope that you understand today's this 1 2 3 4 5 question answer from the maths. Bye bye all of you.